We are really excited about the new teaching site in Washington, D.C. for Texas A&M and for the Bush School in particular. We have already opened up the site. We've begun hiring our faculty and staff. In fact, we have all of our full-time faculty hired. We have about 2/3 of our staff now hired. Game plan is to start the first student cohort in January. And that first class will be taking a master's degree in international policy, which is a degree program we already have at the Bush School. It's focused on mid-career professionals, and in DC we'll target mid-career government officials. We can partner with other universities in DC. There's a rich menu of universities in DC. It allows us to connect to bigger and more broadly focused partners like NDIA. You know, one of the exciting opportunities that presents itself in Washington, D.C. for us is to get more into the cyber policy discussions. Discussion that NDIA is already deeply immersed in. And we expose a whole new generation of people in our nation's capital to the example presented by President George H.W. Bush. This idea of respectful and respected governance and professional ethics and values and the importance of listening to everyone's voice and factoring it into your decisions, and all those things that we stand for here and that President Bush stood for, we'll stand for at the teaching site in D.C. So we are really excited about this opportunity.